Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something exaggerated or overstated, hyperbolic. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is hyperbolic. Let's break it down. First, we have high, which sounds like high in highway. Next is per, which rhymes with her and is the stressed syllable. Then comes buh, a quick sound like buh in button. Finally, like, which sounds like lick. Now let's put it all together. Hyperbolic. Try repeating after me. Hyperbolic. Now a little faster. Hyperbolic. And at full speed. Hyperbolic. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Hyperbolic refers to something that involves exaggeration or is exaggerated, often used to describe statements or expressions that go beyond the truth in order to make an impact. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce hyperbolic and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.